this matter relating to my lord, TET 2014, my lord, the petitioner declared TET qualified process, my lord. That is 2016 selection process, my lord.
So at that point of time, you are not a qualified.
Yes, my lord. No, but at that point of time, my lord, they not declared me as a qualified. There is basic difference between the declaration of by the board. Because of that, they not declared me as a TET qualified candidate.
But the
That's
selection process was started.
why it started. Yes, my lord.
You participated.
No, I because of that, at that point of time, I was not TET qualified because they not declared me as a TET qualified. That's why, my lord, I am unable to.
You could not participate.
Yes,
Now you take
yes. Now, but point is that, my lord, 2016 selection process. In that selection process, trained and untrained both were eligible. That time, at that point of time, 42,939 post was there. Out of that 42,939, only 11,000 was the trained candidate, and the rest of the untrained candidate, they got appointment, my lord. In this context, my lord, the subsequently in the year 2021, my lord, the board by their own volition declared me as a TET qualified candidate, my lord. And for that reason, I am unable to participate in the 2016 selection process. In this regard, my lord, some of the petitioner, my lord, they filed the writ petition, and the coordinate bench passed the order. That order is also annexed with my writ petition, page number 111. My lord, they, my lord, the coordinate bench, my lord, passed the order. Coordinate bench give a stipulated time and there was a specific order, give the appointment. And they acted on that order, my lord. They give appointment, lots of candidates, my lord. I also want the similar. I also similar footing candidate, same footing candidate. I also want the similar relief, my lord, in this matter, my lord. That's my
appeal taken out.
No.
Yes. Appeal, we have prepared an appeal.
Then,
but they acted on the.
My lord, not yet hard.
But they acted on that, my lord. Kindly.
a part of it they have acted, but nonetheless, they
My lord, my instruction is that appeal is dismissed, my lord. Kindly take page number 111, my lord. Bubai Sarkar.
Appeal dismissed.
Yes. Bubai Sarkar.
I'm sorry, my lord, appeal is not dismissed. I have knowledge, full knowledge. I have filed the appeal. Appeal is still pending, my lord.
if the appeal is pending, he cannot bring any fruit of this.
My lord, kindly take page number 111. Whether they acted on this order or not, my lord.
They have acted, but they have preferred an appeal. If they succeed in the appeal, they may take the job of those persons also.
Yes.
My lord,
Where is the order of the learned single judge?
my lord, page number 111. Page number 111. As well as page number 117. না বোবাই প্রকাট
বলছি এগুলো অ্যাপিল কোর্টের অর্ডার
না সিঙ্গেল বেঞ্চের অর্ডার দিচ্ছে দেখো বোবাই প্রকাটটা বের করো
there are lot of questions, my lord. First of all, my lord, they participated in the next selection process.
Already participated.
Having failed, unsuccessful. Then, my lord, challenging the, my lord, the party one. So this is not permissible.
You have to take up this point, but
My
the
lord,
fact remains, the
then, my lord,
order of the learned single judge, which is the basis of their claim, is under challenge in the division bench. So this is
one of the, my lord. Now the next, my lord, 2023, my lord, there are two fold of prayer. First prayer is 2016 selection process. The second prayer is 2020 selection process. If the 20 selection process they have participated and become unsuccessful, there is no question to my lord. My lord, even my lord, 2020 selection process, your lordship knows, my lord, that Ali Hossain judgment. Just my lord, I'm handing over your lordship.
No, this is there. My learned friend. Somehow
first of all,
there is no 2020, my lord. There is no such prayer of 2020, my lord. My learned friend. There is no such prayer. My learned friend somehow.
No, I'm sorry.
Somehow, my lord, missed
The
it.
next matter is my 2000, huh?
paragraph.
Amendment আছে থাক prayer in.
My lord,
My lord, 29. My lord, 29, your lordship. My lord, the first of, my lord, we have relied upon, my lord, so many matters. That is why, my lord, I'm handing up these.
কি আমাকে দাও কি অর্ডার দেখাচ্ছ
না না এই মামলায় নয় রে বাবা আমি এটা জজ সাহেবকে আমরা ফার্স্ট হাফে অনেকগুলো অর্ডার দেখিয়েছিলাম তাই জন্য অর্ডারটা দিলাম
মানে এই মামলার সঙ্গে না তো
না
That is separate.
রিপোর্টেড জাজ বার করে না রিপোর্টেড
that is separate thing altogether. That is
Plans, the panel stood extinguished.
Yes.
It
number 2, my lord, is that he has filed his writ petition 2023 without explaining any delay.
No, later I will consider, but where is the notification?
My lord, affidavit.
Yes.
Notification?
My lord, regarding what, my lord?
Appointment
My lord, your
notification.
lordship kindly
Appointment
come to
notification,
page
not annexed, my lord. If I want
34.
something, I can.
Because trained, untrained, both were.
Yes, yes.
34, page 34, your lordship kindly see, my lord, my learned friend has jumped up and said, no, 2020, no. My lord, he has annexed the 2020.
That is separate thing, my lord. That is all.
My lord, the amendment is there.
My lord,
2016 selection notification.
Not an A.
I will, my lord, hand it over.
It is not that, my lord, I will
It
give.
is like, it is not that, this is one that he was.
I
not
specifically stated, my lord, in my prayer as well as the abarment,
Mr.
the
Samim,
notification
I want to
dated, my lord.
see- I want to see the notification.
Yes, I will hand it.
of
I
submission.
specifically stated 26 September 2016.
Bring
my lord.
all these, bring all these
yes,
first,
I-
bring all these first. Take back your affidavit of service, bring all
My lord,
these.
your lordship kindly come to paragraph 14 once, for once.
I understand he has taken.
Page 6.
You will be getting your chance, Mr.
Okay.
Biswas.
Okay.
Not today. এইটা রাখুন, পড়বো আমি একটু চেম্বারে পাঠাবেন।
My lord, this matter is also almost similar, my lord, but fact is that, my lord, he declared state pass in pursuance of a court order 82 marks. My lord is well aware the fact, my lord, the coordinate bench passed an order.
Selection process of which year?
2016, my lord. I also want to consider, my lord, because of that, there is twofold prayer, my lord, in this regard. Why I feel? Because of that, my lord, in this petition, my lord, the petitioner have that DLED special, my lord. And my lord, in that 2016 selection process, again, my lord, there are two types of candidates, my lord, they are allowed. One is trained candidate, another one is untrained candidate. Subsequently, we declared a state qualified candidate in pursuance of the court order, that is 82 marks, my lord, although the petitioner not made any application, he was not the petitioner at all, my lord, but the board declared me as a state qualified candidate in the year 2023, my lord.
For their fault, you could not participate in.
Yes, my lord. That's my point altogether. My lord, kindly consider my candidatureship in respect of 2016 selection. And the similar prayer is that, my lord, already they, my lord, acted upon the court order which is passed by the coordinate bench because they considered them as a 2016 candidate, my lord. Similar prayer is also there, my lord. And not only that, my lord, in the 2016 selection process, my lord, whosoever the untrained candidate, one matter is pending before the division bench, that is Priyanka Noskar, my lord. My lord is well aware the fact is that, my lord, because in pursuance of the untrained candidate, my lord, there are some illegalities happened, my lord. Because of that reason, my lord, if that candidate, that 32,000 candidates, my lord, who are in service now, if their service will goes, my lord, in pursuance of coordinate
That
bench,
the decision on 32,000 is very much dependent.
yes, that's why, my lord, I am in this matter, my lord. There is twofold prayer. One is that, my lord, considered me as a in respect of 32,000. And one thing,
Cannot
another
be-
thing is
cannot
that,
be
my lord.
done piecemeal unless the appeal court decides.
Yes.
Similar matters I am adjourning only.
But
for
the
this-
point is that, my lord, they ought to use this affidavit regarding, my lord. They not considered my
They are there.
candidatureship.
I'm telling you, Mr. Swami, these affidavit, if I invite at this stage without waiting for what happened over there in the appeal court, it will be rather disclosing their stand in the appeal
No,
court below. Number one.
That is why,
Number
my lord,
two.
we are not filing this
They-
affidavit.
no,
Lordship has
number
got
two.
the point
This
exactly.
is number two. If today is filed after the dismissal or allowing of that, their affidavit will not be. They will be asking, you would like to give a supplementary affidavit in view of the subsequent development.
Deepest of respect.
Wait,
But
wait for this one.
deepest of respect, my lord, why I asking for that, my lord? Because of that, my lord. Suppose, my lord, this candidate is a state qualified candidate declared by the board itself. Subsequently, in respect of
Had
82
they
marks.
made earlier,
Yes.
you could have participated.
Yes, my lord. My lord, kindly furnish the two information. One is that the last selected candidate marks in my category, whether I can came within that
First,
RV or
whether these 32,000 can be order will be remain there
Yes.
or it will
if
go.
not so, then also I am entitled to
Then
get
you
appointment.
move it at
My-
that
my-
appropriate
we will-
time. I will be asking for that.
My lord, with greatest of respect, my lord, with greatest of respect, in spite of the fact that that matter is pending before the division bench, no doubt about it. But fact is that, my lord, I declared state
Don't-
qualified subsequently.
Yes. Don't try
Taking-
to collect evidence now. Collect evidence at the time when we.
My lord, they have not even published the panel till date, my lord. 2016 panel is not yet published. Not yet published, my lord.
Therefore, there is no issue of this expiry of panel and the application of their.
Then record it. Then record it, my lord. Only at least that portion, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, because
All points are open, Mr. Samim. Don't waste your energy now. wait 32,000. What happened to this 32,000?
Yes.
Let this month take the initiation of that settlement within this month. We will meet again in the December when you can argue at length on all points, sir.
Although this matter is in the list, my lord, today is item number 182.
You take a chance after that. Not today, automatically চলে যাবে. Next one.
Your lordship will not pass any order.
My lord, yeah.
One line.
For material instruction.
একটা বললাম কাকে জানো? Issue under consideration petition is dependent on the outcome of the pending appeal before the honorable division bench. In view of such petition, the hearing of the petition is adjourned. Let it appear in the monthly complaints of December 2020. Get flush.
For earlier matter, my lord wants to see the 22 statement.
Without a
My lord, I can watch.
oh, Baba.
And my lord, very next page is the my lord title. Very next page is the title.
Train, untrained, both.
Qualification. My lord. That copy title.
হরিশদার বাদে
This they use evidence in this regard in yes matter.
Note one, note any kind of seeking appointment post of school.
But in this regard, my lord, the-
Where is the exemption of untrained candidate?
at that point of time, because Right to Education Act, there is a 5-year exemption in the act itself. So by using that one.
No,
that
এটা
one-
একটু
that one
earlier
qualification stated, as per the at that point of time in the act itself, there was a 5-year relaxation. Thereafter, government of West Bengal asking for 1 year extra relaxation, and that was granted by the MC at that point of time.
2 years in diploma, elementary education,
Yes,
don't
at that-
also be eligible for.
yes, also. Okay, at that point of time, the Right to Education Act, there was a 5 years relaxation and a 1 year extra relaxation.
Yes, but 2-year diploma
Yes, yes.
without 2-year diploma in elementary education.
That is training qualification. Training qualification is also eligible. They will entitle for the marks as per the selected group.
The persons qualified TET and having qualification.
নোটিফিকেশন
The exemption is 50 marks or graduate without 2-year diploma in elementary education. So you are coming in the second category, or you are saying that I am a trade qualified
I am a
candidate.
trade qualified and trained. I am the first category.
Therefore,
Candidate, I am the first
but
category. So I am the whole
since my qualification was
I am-
not declared at the relevant point of time because of your fault, that is your case.
I am not declared state qualified.
Therefore, it is your fault which actually prevented me
Yes,
to come in the first category. Now you have rectified your own error. Give me the
yes. That's
Chance.
That's my point. That's my point.
let this 32,000 survive first.
No, no, man. For the first matter, there is no relation with 32,000 because the first matter, I am a trained candidate before 2016. That's why I am eligible. That's why, my lord.
All errors, sir.
Yes. That's why, my lord. The first matter, my lord, the first matter. Because at that point of time, if they declared me as a test qualified candidate, automatically I get appointment. Because at that point of time, out of 42,949, only 11,000 was the trained candidate, and they were preferable because
2016 selection, what was the vacant post declared?
42,949.
অ্যাপিল ফাইল
Out of which how many posts were filled up?
According to them, all are filled up, but subsequently, in various matter, which says that there are almost 1,100 still are vacant. And it's in other matter, but I am not going on that.
Was there no illegality in
Yes,
appointment?
obvious. All are illegal. That's why 32,000 was cancelled. All are illegal. That's why 32,000 is cancelled. And not only that, matter, in my one of the matter came before this court also. In Dinajpur matter, my lord, one of the PH candidate got higher mark than the general candidate, but till that He made several RTI applications, and the board give another type of answer, the council give another type of answer.
So ultimately, this 32,000 appointment may go at any point of time.
Absolutely,
May go,
completely.
may go.
If the order of the Honorable Single Judge is
Upheld.
upheld, goes. It is stayed, it is yet to be set aside. It's an interim protection, by dint of which the persons whose jobs have been cancelled, annulled, they are working, they are in service.
Matter is pending before the division bench.
So 32,000 illegality. Give me one instance of illegality.
One is that.
One instance. One
Yes,
instance of.
there are several instances.
Give me one instance.
My lord,
One
basic
example,
foundation of the basic order. Foundation of the order was, my lord,
One
the
is
aptitude
also
test was not taken. There are 5 marks allotted for the
No,
aptitude
no,
test.
not only that. In one is
The
that.
main foundation of the order, the coordinate bench was pleased to ask the, my lord, the petitioner in the doc and, my lord, ask certain questions.
Oh, that happened. Yeah. Oh,
Not only that, my lord,
This
it's
is
in
the
Somen-
matter.
my
where,
lord
my lord,
was personally took the aptitude test.
Yes.
And not only that, in Somen Nandi matter, the board itself, by the end of their affidavit, they admit that they gave appointment to some candidate who give illegal appointment 110 something.
But that all have been stated by the Supreme Court.
Because with the-
What my
the
learned friend
2020
is saying about, everything was stated by Supreme Court.
is that not
No,
only that, my lord,
it is after remand. It is now before the
no, no,
division.
no. In this matter,
That
my
is
lord,
32,000. He is saying another matter.
another matter. Somen Nandi, Ramesh Malik matter. Board use an affidavit. In that affidavit, they admit that 100 odd candidates they illegally appointed,
Not
and out of that 100 illegal appointee, they went to the Supreme Court all without having the copy to us all. Because of that, my lord, Goel and other fact in SLP,
My lord, as of
they not get that point was that, my lord, they not get opportunity of hearing. That's why.
That's not done at the stage of admission.
no, I tell
It
you,
is the
Lordship.
discretion of the Supreme Court whether to issue notice or not,
No, I tell
unless there is a caveat.
I tell you, Lordship. My lord, as of today, 2016 recruitment process, 42,000 were appointed, more or less. But as of today, board say that 94 appointments are not legal.
Only 94.
94. My lord, kindly, my lord, the 94. My lord, board recommended, my lord, withdraw the recommendation. My lord, councils, the several district school councils, my lord, withdraw the appointment letter. My lord, challenging that,
These 94 go to Supreme Court.
they filed, my lord,
Yes, sir.
appeal before the division bench. The division bench, my lord, upheld the order of the single judge, that cancellation of the appointment. Against that order, this went to the Supreme Court. Supreme Court, without saying anything, my lord, issued notice. All appeared. Next day, Supreme Court stayed the cancellation of the appointment
Of
and
94.
directed the board to reinstate them.
That 94.
Yes.
So as of today, my lord, there is nothing. All are. This is the fact.
Board, my lord, not praise that affidavit. By dint of that, they admit that.
What
that-
board will
yes.
face, what
Why-
board will
why-
not face, he
why?
cannot dictate that.
That 94 writ petition. I think that other parties that don't have any. There's the board and the 94 petition.
Yes, because that is
No,
the
no,
board
no.
affidavit. Board not
They
praise that
appeared also.
affidavit.
The other part
That-
also appeared.
Other parties,
Those who were opposing 94, those who were opposing 94, they also appeared.
My lord, they in that,
I can show you, Lordship,
my
the
lord,
order.
there is two writ petition. One is Ramesh Malik, another is Somen. They preferred appeal against the Ramesh Malik. I am appearing on behalf of the Somen. They not preferred appeal against Somen.
What was the order in Showman Nondi?
Analogous. Both were heard.
Board was
Acha,
taken up.
acha, acha.
In the same board, they preferred appeal against the Ramesh Malik, not against the Somen Nand. That appeal is under a challenge before the Supreme Court as an SLP. And in that SLP, the Supreme Court stayed all the proceedings, Ramesh Malik as well as the Somen.
All connected. All connected.
All connected.
Being adjudicated by the High Court stayed.
Our submission, if your Lordship, my lord, today is hearing,
The
Or
writ
is
petition
Lordship
is pending.
here.
Yes. Since 2019.
But that matter is completely
but
different.
these
That
also
matter is
should not
completely
hear before your Lordship, my lord.
different.
This type of
Nothing
matter, because the Supreme Court stayed,
that is Ramesh
Malak,
Malik and
the-
Somen Nandi.
in
nothing.
the Sumen Nondi and their office, they stayed the entire selection, entire process and the similar connected matters.
Therefore,
2016.
2016 selection. Show me the order, then I will not take up.
But tomorrow I will show everything.
Wait, Mr. Samim, if this observation is like that,
That
2016
observation like that, I will not.
no, this
Because
2016
I will show you.
in the first occasion before the coordinate bench, before the Congress Amrita Sinha, I placed that order first. Because of that, order cannot take up the matter. That was my-
Writ petition টা নিয়ে আসবে।
There is no such mentioning about that. All the 2016 matter.
All not, I am
not
not
at all.
saying all, my lord. My
Because
learned
in
friend,
Ramesh Malik, because they
I have said connected.
Samim, if
connected.
the issue remotely connected with any of the issues in any,
that is not remotely connected.
very well, I will consider it. It is not.
CBI investigation. From the CBI investigation, it's cropped up. How this, because if the minors want, I give each and every evidence, not only that, only odd 94. The ED said 2,187 candidates are illegally appointed.
But Mr. Samim, if the Honorable Supreme Court says that
Yes,
everything,
because of that, they pick up the matter, and we also, the
My lord, may I
Malik
read the word
already
between the lines?
filed the,
Just one.
filed the,
In the meanwhile, WPA number such and such, along with the connected writ petitions,
yes, that means.
writ petitions shall
Yes,
remain
Ramesh Malik.
state. That are my submission.
Two bits there.
What I
you
say,
bring,
I will
you bring. Next one, 46,
45. In the
45.
because that they challenge, which is assignment, which is because the Ramesh Malik and Somen Nodi both are assigned matter. Assigned to the organization of the Shura. As an assigned matter, the order was passed, and they preferred appeal against that assigned matter. That these two are connected to assigned matter, and that's why my Somen Nodi matter is still.
But in any event, the
Yes,
issue
yes,
encounter
not-
is remotely connected with
No,
this.
no, not at all. Not at all.
Propriety demands that we should not.
No, not at all. Not at all.
45,
Then Priyanka Noskar will also be state. If my learned friend Harshan is right, then before the
Notice
decision
দিয়েছিস?
made, that Priyanka
না,
Noskar
আগের
is
দিন
also.
হয়েছিল দিন।
That is not.
দিয়ে
not-
দিস।
not-
লর্ডশিপ, the